In this video, I'm going over installing Linux, but instead of my point of view, I wanted to get it from my 8-year-old daughter's point of view. So I told her, hey, how about you do a new chore and install Linux? And I thought this would be, one, a good project to see it from a fresh set of eyes, and two, just to kind of show everyone, anyone can install Linux and use it. It's just a matter of having the will to do it. And that's what we're going to do in this video. So I hope you enjoy this. I'm not going to do too many edits on it just because I want you to see how it would look from a new user perspective, someone that hasn't used very many computers, and something that where you can just pretty much jump into it. A lot of people say Linux is too hard to use, and this video is just there to prove them wrong. Okay, so I'm going to go turn the computer on. We made our drive that we'll boot with Linux with, okay, and install. You got to press, I think, F11 to go to the boot menu when it first starts up, and that's this button right here, F11, okay?
So when it boots up, I press F11?
Yep, should see it on the screen here. F11, quick, one more time. Oh, you know what? I didn't hook up the keyboard.
Daddy!
My bad. Let's hook up the keyboard. Ah, boot menu. Okay. Now, we have the USB drive in, and you want to select UEFI. You can either click it or hit it with your arrows in the enter key. Okay. You want to try or install Pop! OS. So go ahead and hit enter. You'll have to use your arrow keys and enter key for this one. Okay, so this is the thing. Actually, you'll use the mouse now. What do you think we should do here?
You mean language?
Yeah, should we select Japanese? Can you read Japanese? Really? Okay.
What do you think?
You know, I've seen other 8-year-olds that can do Japanese, but I guess you're not as advanced as I thought you were.
I don't even know Japanese.
Really?
I'm only like in 3rd or 2nd grade. They don't...
Wait, are you in 3rd or 2nd?
Well, no, I'm going into 3rd.
Oh, okay. Well, you should probably select your language.
English. United States of America.
Cool.
Because that's where I live.
Okay, and then you can also hit the select button down here. Keyboard layout. What are they talking about? We already told them we're English. English
okay.
US, I imagine. So yeah, select.
Huh?
I don't think we should really go anything other than default here. What do you think?
I don't even know what this is.
Oh, hit select. Okay. Install. Now read each one. Let's see what we got.
Clean install. Erase everything and install a fresh copy of Pop! OS 1904. Custom advanced. Create, resize, or otherwise manage partitions manually. This method may lead to data loss.
Which one do you think we should do?
Clean install.
Clean install. Okay.
Press it.
Sure.
So I press clean install.
What do you think?
Okay, so select the drive. There's only one drive.
Yeah.
Erase and install. Drive encryption.
I don't know.
What does that say?
That's drive encryption. What do you think we should do?
I don't even know what that word means.
Okay. Basically means taking stuff and making it look like the code back here. Do you think we should do that?
Looks cool.
It does look cool.
So, encrypting this drive protects data from being read by others with physical access to this device. Drive encryption may manually impact read and write speed with performing intense tasks. Here, the encryption password will be required each time you turn on this device or restart. Should I encrypt it or not?
No.
So, don't encrypt it.
Mm-hmm.
Don't encrypt.
And then it installs it all for you. I'm going to be back. Let me know if anything happens, but you just read the screen and do whatever it tells you to do. Or whatever, just use your best judgment, okay?
Record.
Yeah, it's recording. Don't worry. Yeah, just make sure you speak into the microphone.
Okay.
Don't say anything bad, though.
Okay. How can I say anything bad?
I don't know. I don't know. Maybe you have a potty mouth. Hmm?
I don't have a potty mouth.
Say any bad words.
I'm only 8 years old.
Well, this is true. Gotta watch out for you 8-year-olds. They're tricky.
I don't have a potty mouth like Granny.
Really? Does Granny have a potty mouth?
She says like a couple potty words every Granny night.
Well, it's true. What are those potty words?
I don't know. She says a couple.
Oh, really?
She says different ones, and also I can't remember.
Okay. Well, at least you don't remember them.
Daddy?
I believe in you. I believe in you. You can do it. Oh, what's it say?
Could not install.
Why not?
Installing Pop SOS 1904 failed, possibly due to a hardware ignore.
Let's go ahead and exit out. Let's start all over again since we kind of got lost. Go to the top right. Click on that. And then hit the power right down here. And then hit restart. Now we're going to start with pressing our F11 again. When the thing comes up. F11. Alright, now let's select that one.
This one?
Just the USB, not the UEFI.
So, USB flash memory 5.
Yes. Basically, we're going to do everything that we just did. Clean install. Do everything we just did. And see what happens. And see if it still has issues. Okay?
Why do you think it would still have issues?
I don't know. It said hardware error. That tells me there's something up. But
hardware
error? I don't know. So
go
ahead and go through it all.
United States of America. Select. Daddy, a new one appeared. It says refresh install.
Yeah.
And it also says clean install.
What do you think?
I don't know if it's in the same one or not.
Go ahead and do clean.
So I press erase and install.
Yeah.
Oh, I have to press this. Okay. So don't encrypt.
Don't encrypt. We need to look inside the matrix. Click on this button right here.
Why isn't it showing anything but green?
I don't know. What do you think?
I don't even know what Linux is.
It's an operating system that's completely awesome. Do you know what Windows is?
Yeah.
It's probably for the best.
Why?
Because Linux is better. Okay.
It's only like halfway through.
Yeah. Oh!
Goes to 100 2 times.
That's cool.
What?
You're clucking. Just saying. You're going to hear about it in the YouTube comments. People are going to be like, what's up with the clucking? That's how the internet is. It's a fickle beast.
I don't even know what fickle means.
Flimsy. Goes every which way. Oh!
Yay!
What do you think we should do now?
After restarting, you can set up a new user, or you can shut down now and set up a new user later.
Restart.
So, restart device?
Yes. I will remove the drive.
So, all that stuff is in there.
Yep, it's all in there. But now it's on here. You set it all up by yourself.
Is this where I have to read?
You've been doing it. Alright, you're up.
Why is it in Chinese?
Did you select Chinese? Oh.
Huh?
Wow, I don't know. That's French. That is not English.
Will Amon?
Yeah, you gotta say all these before you can continue. I don't hear you say.
That's just symbols, not word.
You don't know how to say that?
Welcome.
Boom, there you go. Alright, hit next.
Okay, so next. Okay. Typing.
Yeah.
Select her. What? Do I just do
Yeah,
that?
it's already checked, so you should be good.
Okay, next. Wi-Fi?
Nah, let's skip it.
Skip.
What do you think? Should we let people know where we're at and give our geographical location so the satellites can snoop on us and read our thoughts?
You're just being weird and creepy.
I'm just saying. That's what it's asking. Do we want to tell people our location?
No.
Well, you have it checked. I guess we can just give them out by leaving it checked. That's up to you.
Allows applications to determine. I'm just gonna hit next.
Okay.
Okay.
Seems, yeah, we're in the Chicago time zone. We can hit next. We don't want to set up any online accounts on this guy.
So skip.
Alright, you gotta tell us. Don't give your full name, though. Actually, let's make our name Unicorn. Wait. Sparkly Unicorn.
Daddy, you're just.
Fluffy Unicorn.
No, I love unicorns, but you're being weird.
Death Unicorn.
Daddy!
Alright, you pick your name. Pick your name.
I'm just gonna say my normal name.
No. You can't do your normal name. Because it's on the internet. You never give your normal name out on the internet. Can't do that.
Why?
You gotta just choose a different name.
I can't have.
You can have Unicorn in it, but not your actual name. We don't give out those details.
I have to press on it.
Nah, it looks like it's already there. You can tell with the little line. But you can click on there too.
So.
Alright.
Then.
Looks
next.
good. Next.
Set a password.
Put a password in. I won't look. It says mix of uppercase and lowercase. Try to use a number or two. Okay. And then you gotta confirm it by typing it in again. Good. Okay, next.
So I press it. Why is the screen dark?
Oh, there it goes. Okay, so you have successfully installed Linux right now. What should we do next? I think we should browse the internet, because what 8-year-old wouldn't want to browse the internet.
What is browsing the internet?
YouTube. So if we hit our key right here, hit it
Windows.
one time, yeah. And then we need to select our web browser, and it's this fox looking thing.
The
Fox.
fiery.
Fiery fox. And then we can type in youtube.com.
Right here?
You think that's the address bar?
Oh, that's email.
Yeah, that's email.
This is address.
Yeah, that's the address bar.
Okay, so I type
youtube.com. Now, you're only allowed to watch YouTube when I'm around, though. There's some weird stuff on YouTube.
I know that. And inappropriate.
Yep.
Like Markiplier.
Yep. That Markiplier guy, he's the devil. Yep, that looks good. You can hit enter to go.
Okay, so.
Enter.
Why is there a lady?
Weird. YouTube is weird. See, this is why we don't get on YouTube very much. Bunch of weirdos. I know I'm on YouTube, but I'm weird too, you know. But good weird. Most of the time.
Okay, so.
We're done! We have successfully installed Linux and can now browse the interwebs. High five.
Yay.
Since you have succeeded with asking a total of 17 and a half questions, I will pay you $100. Just kidding. I will pay you $1.
You're kidding.
What? Did we not agree on $1?
No.
What did we agree on?
$10.
$10? That went awfully quick. I mean, I don't know. That was like 20 minutes of work. At this rate, for a full 60 minutes hours, you're charging $30 an hour as an 8-year-old. Seems excessive to me. I feel like I'm getting gouged.
I don't even know what that means.
What do you think? Would you take less than $10 for this work? Would you take $5?
No.
Alright, what about this? I'll give you $5 now, but the video has to get 1,000 views before I give you another $5. Is that a fair deal? 10,000 views? 1 million views?
Okay, that's just going way too high.
Okay, that's fair. That's fair. All right. You strike a hard bargain, but your work here is done. Good job for installing Linux.
So you're going to give me $10?
Yes, I'm going to give you $10. Okay, geez. This is, I don't even know. I mean, Linux is such a valuable tool that this is so worth so much more than $10. The amount of knowledge you've gained today is worth, dare I say it, millions of dollars.
Daddy?
Yeah.
I think I know that. And also, you promised me that you would give me $10.
Okay, a promise is a promise. Good job. Hop off the stool, and we are done. Oh, you want to wave bye to everybody?
Bye.
So there you have it. I'm really proud of my daughter getting up here, trying it. This is her first time actually using Linux, so I'm sure she was a little bit lost on like the desktop and stuff. That's why I wanted her to actually just like open up a web browser and type something in the address bar to just kind of showcase how you get around in like a GNOME setup like this. Pop! OS out of the box. Not my favorite desktop environment, as many people know, but at the same time, I thought it would be a good entry-level one. I think it's good for Windows users coming over. However, I would do some more customization. So if you're interested in going ahead and adopting Pop! OS and doing its install like was done in this video, there's a couple other customizations I'd make. And in those actual customizations, I've done it in a whole video series where I go over like gaming and other things. And check out the description below and also try and do like a top comment. But it's the Windows to Linux series. It's about 4 videos long, about 10 minutes each. And it would be really good for any Windows user coming to Linux. But with all that said, a big shout out to all my patrons. Without you, I couldn't do videos like this one. And I'll see you in the next video.